That was ridiculously satisfying.
Ready, set, go.
Can your RV water hose do that? Or this? I'll admit, I never thought I'd get excited about an RV water hose, but after having to replace more of them than I care to admit, I'm finally glad I found one that's, well, different. It doesn't just have some really cool features, it actually solves the everyday problems we deal with every time we use our RV water hose. Okay, first, the self-coiling design isn't just fun to watch when you disconnect it. It's what actually prevents this hose from kinking. If you own an RV, then you probably dealt with a water hose that likes to twist and kink. Then you're stopping and trying to untwist it just to get the water to your camper. So annoying. This hose doesn't do that because it naturally wants to return to its coiled shape. It does not kink ever. And when it's time to disconnect, it coils itself right back up. It's one of those things that really does not sound like a big deal until you get to stop dealing with it every single camping trip. But that's only half the story. I think I like it even more when it's time to pack it up and store it. Yep, the next thing that I really like is just how easy this hose is to put away. If you're using a traditional RV water drinking hose like I was, you know they seem to have a mind of their own. You disconnect them and then you're wrestling with them, trying to cram them back into your storage compartment or a storage bag. This one doesn't do that because it naturally coils into a compact bundle. It pops right into the storage bag that it comes with. And here's another difference. Compared to my old hose, this one takes up so much less space, which means I have more room in my storage compartment for other camping gear. This isn't a flashy feature. It just makes packing up camp easier. And the included storage bag helps keep the hose clean while keeping the rest of my storage compartment a little more organized. Easy small camper storage organization? Yes, please. Now, here's what I didn't expect, because the next thing I noticed was just how lightweight this new RV hose is. So there's something else I started doing after years of RV camping. Instead of carrying one heavy 50-foot hose everywhere I go, I now carry two 25-foot AirGear RV water hoses. Most of the time, I only need 25 feet. But every once in a while, the campground puts the water hookup just far enough away that I need two hoses to reach it. So now instead of hauling around one big bulky hose on every camping trip, I simply connect the two 25-feet hoses together whenever I need it. And for me, that's been the best of both worlds. Now I'm carrying less weight, it takes less storage space, and because every campground's a little different, I have now 50 feet to use whenever I need it. It's a simple thing, but it's another way that this hose makes our camping life just a little bit easier. But here's the part that I was most curious about. Let's talk about durability, because durability is the main reason I've had to replace so many of my RV water hoses. Over time, they'd start leaking and they just wouldn't hold up and work and function like they did when they were new. And AirGear claims their hose is different. In fact, they say you can run this over with your vehicle and it will still work. And I have to admit, I was a little skeptical, so I had to try it out for myself. It's a little dirty, but let's connect it. It passed the test. There's no leaks, no damage. It works exactly like it did before. Now, obviously, I can't tell you how it's going to hold up after years of camping because that's only something that time will tell. But after seeing it survive being run over by my tow vehicle, I now have more confidence that it's going to hold up way better than any other previous RV water hose that I've ever owned. They also say that this hose can handle freezing temperatures and high water pressure, which is actually kind of a big deal. And if something does happen to happen, it's backed by a 5-year guarantee, which tells me the company really does stand behind this product. I think this hose fixes a lot of those little frustrating, annoying things that come with using a traditional water hose. And sometimes those are the products that end up making the biggest difference. What do you think? If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I put my link and a discount code in the video description below, so you can save a little bit of money. And if you enjoy practical RV gear that actually makes your camping life easier, you're gonna wanna watch this video next, because it's another product that has quickly become one of my camping favorites. I can't wait to see you over in this video next, and I also can't wait to hang out with you again next Thursday.